Ready before it's Sandy.
Oh,
Are you videoing you?
I'm videoing you.
YouTube, here we come.
Yeah.
Hoping you're gonna do something really stupid so you can send it in.
Facebook?
No, send it in to get America's Funniest Home Videos.
I missed the cake
Quick,
thing.
bite her finger.
Oh, nice. Are they kitchen towels? Oh, they are.
What's it say?
towels?
It says
Yeah.
something.
Aw, make a joyful noise.
Don't use those ones though.
Aw, yeah, they're used. They're to be used.
Placemats. Placemats.
Oh yeah, they're placemats. But there's only 3 though.
No, they look like towels, Grace.
Yeah, why would there be 3 placemats?
I don't know the materials.
They just need to be washed.
Towels.
She said,
Hey!
hey.
More pajamas?
Best Buy card.
Well, money. What are you hiding?
She gonna cry? She gonna cry?
No, wait till we get to Nikki's card.
I didn't get Mickey's.
She forgot it?
Well, you're the whole
What's
reason
that?
that only everybody
I know,
cries
I
on their
always make
birthday is
everybody
because of
cry.
your card.
Yes,
I already put her card on my Facebook.
Story.
What? I didn't make them up. What are you talking about?
Ooh.
What's your
New
card?
stuff?
Careful. I'll help you with it this way.
More pajamas?
More pajamas.
No, it's not a pajamas.
Top and a...
It's a top and a vest.
Thank
Top and a vest.
you, Happy Becky. Thank you.
Top and a vest.
Top of the vest.
And a card.
My Wii is coming. Hey, Alex, Brianna, you're gonna come over here and play Wii with me. I'm gonna get a Wii.
I think she just
Those
likes
are my
saying
playmates.
How many times can you say we in one sentence?
This is cute. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah, that's you.
No, this is the back. This is
I know.
She was just looking at it.
Well, I didn't want to come
Joanne,
work
all up in her
and she's
face.
wearing it with a buckle right here. That's too opening. I mean, obviously you have a shirt on underneath it. That's not what I was thinking.
And
but I
it's
was
open
just
over
thinking-
here.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
And you got a bag.
Yeah, I know.